All right, here we go. Newest version of the waste oil burner completed by Frank the Redneck. We've got the reservoir tank down to a way to control my oil, how fast I want oil to go into it, along with a injection air tube here. So here's the back. Way to drain the oil, which makes actually a perfect water separator. So if you get water in your oil, I've got two levels here. So the bottom, this bottom drain will actually drain water out if you want to get rid of your water. It's a perfect water oil separator, but my burner burns water too. It doesn't really affect it at all. All right, so that's the basic deal here. So I'm using all parts just kind of available. It's a old barbecue grill propane tank that I've cut the top of it out and took the valve out, and that's where I've got my bottom valve. I welded a 1/2-inch threadlet in here to get down to a control oil valve, and then up here is a piece of 6-inch welded on top, which then you can use an 8x6 reducer, or in this case it's a 7x6. That's the preferred one. And this air down here, air gap, doesn't hurt anything. This was actually an old hot water heater tank. They had to cut the center of it out. Now, every one of these is kind of unique because you never know what you're going to have to do. In this particular case, I'm going to take this bowl out. Take this bowl out. I've actually got to turn it upside down because, which is no big deal, because that's just the way it worked out, because I didn't want to cut this hole any bigger than I had to. But in this particular case, I had to actually add a spacer, which you'll see is basically just a rotor. Now, when I say spacer, I wanted to get this burn bucket up higher, okay? So I put this spacer in there so once I got it in, my burner, which is right here,